Last winter, a friend of mine shared a story that stayed with me. On his first night in Mexico, everything felt easy. He waved down a random taxi, flashed his phone to check the map, and assumed he was good to go. Nothing dramatic happened, but the driver took a suspiciously long route. The price suddenly tripled, and the lesson was learned. Mexico didn't change that night. His habits did. Welcome back to OpenMexico. If you value practical travel advice that skips the sugarcoating, hit that like button and subscribe. Today, we're discussing how to experience the best of Mexico without inviting unnecessary trouble. First, some perspective. Mexico is a world-class destination where millions have a great time every year. Yet, official advisories suggest staying alert. Both realities exist side by side. The gap between a flawless vacation and a stressful story usually comes down to small, daily decisions. In reality, your biggest risk isn't high-level drama. It's petty crime. Pickpocketing and phone grabs are the most common issues. Areas like Cancun, Tulum, and Playa del Carmen are well patrolled, but they also attract opportunists looking for expensive tech and loose cash. The first rule: don't be the easiest target on the sidewalk. You don't need to hide away. Just keep your phone use discreet, wear your bag across your body, and carry only the cash you need for the day. For seasoned travelers here, these habits are automatic. When the sun goes down, the dynamic changes. Government guidelines advise extra caution after dark in resort towns. It's not because the streets become a movie set, but because risk naturally increases as visibility drops. The strategy is simple. Stick to well-lit, busy areas. That shortcut through a quiet side street at midnight is rarely worth it. After 10 p.m., it's smarter to stay in lively zones or opt for a ride instead of a long walk. Speaking of transport, taxis deserve a closer look. Frequent travelers agree. Avoid hailing random cabs on the street. While most rides are fine, the bad stories almost always start with, "I just jumped into the first car I saw." Use rideshare apps, have your hotel call a car, or use established taxi stands known as sitios. It's a minor step that eliminates a lot of guesswork. If you're driving between cities, timing is everything. Use toll roads, quotas, and avoid long drives at night. Major routes are perfectly normal during the day, but empty highways after dark aren't the place to test your luck. Occasionally, you might encounter a roadside stop. Stay calm and polite. Keep your documents organized, and if a fine is mentioned, request to handle it through official channels rather than paying cash on the spot. Now, for something most creators don't like to say, alcohol changes your awareness. Mexico's nightlife is amazing, but it's also where people let their guard down. A huge percentage of tourist incidents involve people who were simply too distracted to notice their surroundings. Enjoy the cocktails, but stay sharp enough to get home safely. One habit that works like free insurance is sharing your location. Before heading out, let a friend or family member know where you're going. It takes 5 seconds and adds a valuable layer of security. For travelers in Mexico's major international resorts hubs, the bottom line is this. These areas see constant visitor traffic and maintain a visible security presence. Most trips go perfectly. By staying in well-traveled areas and maintaining basic street smarts, you've already won half the battle. Mexico rewards the attentive traveler. Travel smart, stay relaxed, and you'll see why so many of us keep coming back. This video was made in partnership with Discover Maya. If you want your logistics handled safely, from transfers to group and private tours, check the link in the description. See you in Mexico.